Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombiebargainhunter, and today I am finally heading to Vegas. It has been a good year and a half since I've been to Vegas. I miss my Vegas. I used to go to the Goodwill bins probably at least once or twice a month in Vegas. Well, first stop, of course, is going to be the Goodwill bins. I have a couple friends going to meet up there. I'm going to have a lot of fun in Vegas. The Boss Reseller meetup will be in a couple of days. I get to pick Star up at the airport tomorrow, so of course I'll get footage of all this. I'll be checking in at the Golden Nugget, so if anybody wants to meet up, say hi, drop by. I'll have some stickers for you. That's it. Let's get the road trip going. It is a nice sunny day. Looks like the winds have calmed down because the winds have been super bad. They've been like, I think they were like 40, 50 miles an hour a couple days ago. They were super bad. Now they have calmed down, so happy about that. Anyways, enough jibber jabber. Let's get going and let's get to Vegas. Okay, first stop, breakfast time. I went to Jack in the Box and got some bacon. Yeah, check this thing out. It's a monster. Looks like it has double egg, double bacon, I don't know, double cheese. I mean, there goes the diet, right? And I got a Rockstar. This is tangerine, mango, guava, strawberry. So, first stop is breakfast. Let's get to the bins. I am late. Finally made it at the Goodwill bins in Vegas. I'm gonna go in there, meet some friends, and check it out. Oh man, I haven't actually been to this one. They redid the other one. They closed the other one down, and they actually closed two down to make this big one. Here, let me turn the. It is a huge building. They closed two Goodwills. They closed one in North Vegas and one right down the street. They closed them to make this big one. So let's go in there, see what we can find. I don't plan to buy a ton because I have to go home with it. And yeah. All right, let's go. We can find something. Little sock monkey. Oops, sorry about the finger. Little doodle dog. I'm gonna be super picky today. I don't want that much. Probably wearing my gloves, but I'm not. Little gato. Not much. Ton of people here though. Shamu, filthy. Alright, so this place is huge. They really made this place. The problem is there's not that much hard goods anymore, so there's not much plush or anything. It's mostly clothes now. and it's pretty packed. You can see it's pretty packed right now. I did pick up a few items. Those are my gloves. I didn't pick those up. Yeah, I picked up a bin of stuff. I just got here, but I think I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna go. There's a few people at the Golden Nugget already that have already arrived, so I think I'm just gonna go down there. I'm gonna talk to them. They do owe me a Gaylord of Plush, so I don't know if I can pick it up by the end of the week. But yeah, this place is super packed today. I might come back tomorrow, but as of today, it is too packed for me. Alright, see you at the Golden Nugget. Alright, so I'm out of there. Let me take off the mask. Masks are required inside at all time in Vegas. Anytime you're inside a place. But anyways, got a little bit of stuff. Was in there maybe an hour, half an hour, an hour. The place was super packed, so I didn't want to stick around. But I decided, why not come out here and do a little haul video for you. Let me show you what I got. I got this guy. Let's see if I can turn him on. Hold on. He still works. I don't know what he's worth, but let's see. His tail's not. Stay. There you go. Yeah, so he works. He's growling at you. He's, I believe, Fisher Price. So let me turn him off. That I brought for Star. You can see right here is a little hippo for Star and a bag full of goodies. So I'll be picking up Star tomorrow. So I have a little bag of stuff for her, and then I got a 8-pack of sodas. Let me just keep showing you what I got. I got this monster Perry. This will probably go maybe $60. He's a little dirty though. Once I get him cleaned up, because he's a big fat guy. But yeah, he needs a lot of cleaning. Found this funny looking beaver from Animal Land, probably looking at 25 or so. I don't know what these clothes are, if they go to her or not. But what the heck? What else do we got? We got a big giraffe, nice sized giraffe. That fur's not too bad. I can fluff that out with a comb. But probably looking at $30 for that giraffe. This was actually a putback. Some kid had it and their parents did not want them to take it, so they put it back. It's a Build-A-Bear. I don't know her name, but it's My Little Pony, and the hair is nice, so that's a big plus. I hate fixing the hair on My Little Pony. We got Spirit. Sold little Spirits for $20, so I'm guessing this Spirit will go for probably 30 to 40. That's what I'm hoping. It's a big Spirit. Got a bunch of Bark toys. I'll have to wash them. It's that one. Sorry, moving around a lot. And this one. You got this little cupcake. The Bark toys have been selling for like $20 each. We got donuts. Trying to open it for you. There's little donuts. I guess it's for a small dog, because I don't think you want to give a big dog this little donut. Yeah, this is some donuts. We got, I don't know what this is. I guess it's a whistle or a shoe. I don't know. We got this Wild Republic turtle. I figure about $20 for him. Dumbo, another $25. I think this is Kohl's. No, it's not. It's Disneyland. I got a monkey. It says "Big Hug, Get Well Soon." Figure if someone gets sick, they'll want to buy a little monkey. I mean, they don't sell for much. I'm looking probably like $18. Sorry, I'm moving a lot, but here's a Bark box shoe. Let's see, the guy like stepped on stump. That's the bottom of the shoe. Got a little ice cream cone from Bark Box. Yeah, I didn't even look them up. I decided to get them. Didn't get this one. I guess someone put this in my cart. This is Motion Design. Probably looking at $15 there. One more bark box. This is another type of whistle. And I got the little sock monkey. I have like sock monkey mugs, so I'm gonna just put him in there and see if I can get rid of the mugs. And last but not least, I got what is his name from Cinderella? Help me, someone leave it in the comments. He's missing his clothes, but I'm sure I can get a few dollars for him. Probably like 20 bucks. But yeah, I forgot the little mouse's name. Oh, maybe his tail. No, his tail's not damaged. That's just the way they did it. Anyways, I am gonna go check in, and I'll see you in a little bit. Finally made it. Had to park on top of the building. I mean, there's hardly any parking at all in this place. Yeah, made it to the Golden Nugget. So far it's okay. I mean, I'm not a fan of the downtown area, but hopefully I will enjoy it. I haven't been downtown in probably a good 10 years. Alright, let's get in, let's check in, let's find out where my room is. Alright, I just got in the room. Let's check this out. I am in the Rush Tower. Let's see if I can find a light. Here you go. Nice. This place is really nice. Hey, there I am. Nice shower. Yeah, looks really nice. Here's the bathroom. Around here. Got a closet. Got some robes. Yeah, the check-in took forever though. I think I was there for a good half an hour, 45 minutes. Everybody came at 3. So it was a long wait, but got a nice room for it. I'm surprised. I've never stayed at the Golden Nugget before, so I didn't know what to expect with the rooms, but the room is pretty nice. There is the view. The view is of, is that Binion's? The B. And that's basically it. Got some complimentary water here. Ice bucket. Nice TV. But yeah, no, I'll be here for a week, so come on down. Hopefully some of you are in Vegas. You can come down and join me. We can have some fun. We can gamble, hang out. Alright, take care, guys. So that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. A little bit of bins, a little bit of just hanging out, just a little bit of driving, a little bit of basically everything, right? Yeah, I'll be here a while. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. I can't do anything in here. Take care. Bye.